Hi, I'm Jeff Haynes, editor at Tech Bargains, and today we're bringing you a video unboxing of the Toshiba Satellite L745. We review a lot of laptops here at Tech Bargains, and while we love getting our hands on the newest equipment out there, we don't necessarily like paying the high prices for the systems. Sometimes you just want a system that's dependable and reliable at an affordable price. That's where the Toshiba L745 comes in, because it provides you that exact kind of performance in a very affordable package. So why don't we take a really quick look? Now, the one thing that you'll notice obviously about the L745 is that by the size of the box itself, it's definitely within that mid-range size of computer. The first thing that you obviously see when you open the box are a lot of the manuals, quick start guides, advertisements, and other warranty information that you typically expect with a brand new computer. On the left-hand side, you have the power adapter and power cable inside this plastic bag. And we also have the battery that we use to power the laptop itself. But once I get all of that out of the way, and I toss away some of the packing material, we get to the Toshiba Satellite L745. As you can see, it's actually within the same relative size of the mid-range computer. Pretty compact, pretty thick. On the other hand, it's definitely bucking the trend of going a little bit slimmer with a lot of the more modern laptops. But it's got a really nice distinctive silver pattern to the shell of the system itself, which helps it stand out from a lot of the other plain gray or black laptops that you find on store shelves. So I want to take a really quick look around the system itself. On this side, you'll find your DVD burner. You have a USB 2.0 port right here, and next to that you've got your VGA output, which is of course conveniently next to the AC adapter port. On the rear of the L745 you have the slot for the battery. Obviously you just plug in right there. And on the other side you have your wired Ethernet port and your HDMI output. So you've got your two options for your external monitors. You've got your VGA port on the other side, your HDMI output right here, and two more USB 2.0 ports. However, this one USB 2.0 port happens to be a sleep and charge port as well. I'm not entirely sure if you can pick it up, but the little lightning bolt just indicates that you can plug in a USB connection and charge any device, whether that be a cell phone, a tablet, an MP3 player, what have you, through that little port right there, which is a really nice feature. Finally, you also have your headphone and your microphone port right there. On the front, you have your multi-card reader slots. You can easily plug in any data from a camera and transfer it over to your laptop. That's a quick look at the external side of the L745. The internal side is powered by an AMD Fusion E350 dual-core chip running at 1.66 GHz with 4 GB of DDR3 memory. It's also supplemented by an ATI Radeon HD 6310 graphics card, and it also comes with a 500 GB hard drive spinning at 5400 RPM. All of this winds up tying together as I open it up on the 14-inch screen that has a native resolution of 1366 by 768. As you can see, they also carried over the external chassis design to the palm rest, and what's really nice about it is that they actually managed to meld the touchpad into the palm rest itself, so you really can't get a full-on glimpse of it, but once you run your finger over it, you get the raised texture of the touchpad space itself, which is also bordered by two rather large silver buttons just for your left and your right mouse click. Above the touchpad, you'll find your chiclet-style keyboard, not a full alphanumeric-style keyboard, but it is laid out in the traditional font and style that many of the Toshiba chiclet keyboards have been designed in. It also comes with your twin speakers right here, and outside of that, there really aren't a lot of buttons. Toshiba decided to go with a minimal look and only left a power button right there. So that's a quick look at the Toshiba Satellite L745. Be sure to come back in the upcoming weeks where we'll have a full review of this system. And for more news and reviews on the latest products, as well as coupons and deals on systems like the Toshiba L745, be sure to check out techbargains.com.